invoice number V6340. Today is October 16th, 2020. Today we are video scanning the den fireplace. We are approximately 30 feet tall. It appears to be a 7x11 flue. There is some heavy glazing inside of this flue also. We are proceeding down video inspection now. You can see the glazing throughout this structure. It is relatively thick in areas.
Raindrops?
No, just anything loose that's kicking around. Okay. Nothing's really settled.
Yeah, I can see that.
Sit for a minute.
How far up is that?
We're 30 feet up.
What's the total height?
30 feet.
Okay.
So you're 5 feet down, we're at 25, we're about 25 feet. Do have some glazing.
I can't even tell what you're looking at. I mean, it just looks like nothing to me. That part actually doesn't look too bad. We were just with my father in Vermont, and he has a large fireplace in his house, and of course John gets in there. 12 logs in.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. More creosote. Do have a slight offset.
Stuff falling down. It looks like it would be.
Pardon?
All this, the debris, why does it look like it's falling down?
Well, it's everything that's in here still that hasn't really settled from when we swept it.
Yeah.
So everything's still moving around.
Okay.
There is glazing throughout the smoke chamber, throughout the flue. It appears to be a 13 by 13 flue. Oh no, it's a 7 by 11 that transitions into a 13 by 13 flue. You can see the glazing. Recommend a rotary cleaning be performed. However, this may actually need a PCR treatment. That concludes the video scan for today. Defects are observed.